Good morning student. Today we will discuss about in subject science standard 6 chapter number 2 component of food. Component of food. But today our topic is deficiency disease. Deficiency. What is meanings of deficiency disease? Means the lack of heavy amount of a nutrient in our food, so it is also called as the deficiency. With the help of deficiency, different types of a diseases also become done. So in this way, today we discuss about deficiency disease. That means in our food, lack of a nutrient, a heavier amount of a nutrient lack in our food. Means हमारे भोजन में से, हमारे भोज्य पदार्थों में से जो न्यूट्रिएंट की अमाउंट है वो लैक होना यानी लेस होना. So now a person may be getting enough food to eat, but sometimes food may not contain a particular nutrient. Means we know about sometimes a person take a enough amount of a food, पर्याप्त अमाउंट में फूड लेता है, but their food is do not contain a heavier amount of a nutrient. Nutrient that means vitamin, protein, carbohydrate, fat and mineral. So this component is a nutrient, but means their food not contain a heavier amount of a nutrient. So in this way we can say if this continues over a long period of a time, the person may be suffer from a deficiency. Means if a person take food for a long time, if a person take food for a long time in their food, not a sufficient amount of a nutrient, so they also suffering from a deficiency. Deficiency that means lack of nutrient, कमी, nutrient की कमी का होना, lack of nutrient यानी उसके फूड में प्रोटीन, विटामिन, कार्बोहाइड्रेट एंड फैट एंड मिनरल की कमी का होना. That means lack of a nutrient in his food. They also take for a long time. So then they suffering for a deficiency. तो ऐसी सिचुएशन में वो क्या करता है? डिफिशियंसी से सफरिंग करता है. Deficiency of one or more nutrient can cause disease. Okay? Means in our food for a long time, lack of nutrient, vitamin, carbohydrate, protein, fat and mineral. So when we suffering from a deficiency disease, in this way we also suffering a deficiency disease. Lack of nutrient in our body is called as deficiency disease. Means we take a food or a food amount in our body, but in our food lack of a heavier amount of nutrient. So in this way we also suffering from a deficiency disease. In this way, if a person do not take a sufficient amount of a protein in our food, then the effect of sufficiency is appeared. For example, their growth is also stopped, and their growth is also stopped. Repairing of tissue in our body is stopped. Weakness and hair is become discoloring. हेयर डिसकलर हो जाएगा, वीकनेस आ जाएगी, दैट मीन्स वीकनेस आ जाएगी. In this way, for a long time, if deficiency is also maintained, for a long time, if deficiency is also maintained, so we also cause or a suffering from a deficiency disease. Here some vitamin deficiency disease is also mentioned. Vitamin and disease. Vitamin A. With the deficiency of vitamin A, night blindness. Sufficient deficiency of vitamin B, beriberi is caused. Deficiency of vitamin C, scurvy disease is caused, and vitamin D deficiency, rickets types of a disease is also caused. मीन्स क्या होता है कि अगर इस प्रकार से विटामिन की कमी होती रही, विटामिन ए की डिफिशियंसी से कमी से ब्लाइंडनेस, विटामिन बी की कमी से बेरी डिजीज, एंड विटामिन सी की कमी से स्कर्वी, और विटामिन डी की कमी से रिकेट जैसे डिजीज का अपीयर्ड होना पॉसिबल है. ओके, थैंक्स.